He's left me off a spot to move my boxes, but he's also working on this water. He said he wants to shape the land so the water coming off the hill goes down that way and then comes down along. So he did all this today. He did all the road yesterday, about 5 hours or so a time. But coming up, I want to come down through here with a trail that goes straight up to the top of the ridge, where I've got a trail that comes down the ridge. And then maybe dig out this for a little personal shooting berm. I'm gonna seed all this, but it's real hard clay. It's pretty packed as I walk on it, because it's not a lot of topsoil, it's mostly clay. Down on the bank, I've got some pure clay, nice gray, you know, slick. But I've been having thieves problems. Once I put up my gate, the thieves have been coming up through my neighbor's yard with a trailer and driving right through here. Well, I think I've solved 90% of that problem, because you're not taking a trailer load of stuff down through there, right? So I'm gonna put me a fence here. I've got some blackberry ordered. I'm gonna put blackberry at each pole once I run some fence wire. And then I've got some Osage orange coming, which because I have to let it sit in the freezer for 6 weeks, I don't know if I can plant it this year or not, but I'm gonna put an Osage orange tree in between every pole. And once that grows up, there won't be driving through here. I'm not quite sure yet if I'm gonna put a walk-through gate right here or not. I kind of want to, but you know, I don't want to have any temptation. So the plan is over here, I'm gonna put my Connex boxes sort of like they're down there, you know, about 10 foot apart, and I want to deck over them and then maybe put a pavilion at the top. That's the plan, at least. Most people think I'm crazy when I say that, but you know, most people said I'm crazy for doing everything I do. And then, you know, this can be parking area when we're not shooting, and you know, grass, yard the rest of the time. But the guy doing the road did an excellent job. I told him what I wanted, and he really outdid it as far as, you know, smoothing everything out and looking at the water. He ditched down over here, so the water coming down, you know, is going to hit that ditch. It'll flow off that way, but he's also got it so it will flow straight off the road. It's at an angle, right? So it won't pick up a lot of speed to do all the rutting. But I told him I wanted him to go all the way to the edge of the drop-off, so if I have a class, people could park on the side of the hill. And I think he thought I was a little crazy, because, you know, it's basically 3-car wide road, you know, for an old 5-acre piece of nothing, right? But I'm gonna come in and grass that far edge, right? And then down here where my spring is, I've got to redig it out, but I've got me a drive well, and since it's illegal in Tennessee to put your own well in, then I've got this drive point. I think I'm going to pound the drive point in sideways, and then that will help give the water a place to come out, make me a collection, you know, a well, what's it called, a well box. And then I don't know if I'd want to drink this. It's probably good now, but my septic tank is on top of the hill, or my septic fill line's on top of the hill, and I'm not real sure I want to drink water coming out the hill below my septic. But it might be good for animals. I don't know, I'll have to test it. But at the amount of water coming out, I might be able to run a small, efficient 12-volt hydroponic or hydroelectric generator. Right, this morning that was flowing out real good, but you see the shale and the clay. Look at that. You see that? It's in there. I just got to find the exact best spot. But I'm real pleased. I'm real pleased. It's going to be pretty when I'm done. And the plan is, you know, they say I can't have a gun range out here, but I am zoned where I can have agricultural classes. So maybe how to make cheese and how to make wine and that sort of stuff, right? Maybe do the NRA hunting classes, maybe some hunter safety, because that's all agricultural. I don't know. I guess we'll just have to see. But it's starting to come along, and I'm pretty proud of it so far. I'm really glad I finally found a guy with a bulldozer that would come in at a reasonable price with some skill. And I would totally recommend them. It's How Earthworks or Earthworks, Earth Moving. I don't know. But they're pretty awesome. So I'll put a link, or I'll put his phone number down, or you can call me if you're in the southern middle, Perry, Hickman, Lewis, Dixon area. Dude's got track hose and all sorts of stuff, but I'm real pleased, and I'm about real tired. I had to do a lot of work to get stuff ready for him, but I'm on the way to the house.